Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. In this video, I will show you 3 Android phone settings that you need to enable right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to the search right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in user. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on users and accounts. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Google autofill content. So click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon in front of Google autofill content. So click on here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way to preferences. So click on preferences. Allow your security pattern. Then what you need to do is to simply turn on this. With that, if anybody take your phone and try to have access to any website or your banking apps or any apps that have your password and username security, by the time they autofill the password and username, it's going to ask for your biometric authentication before they can have access to the app or the bank app. It's as simple as that. So let's take a look at the second one I would like to show you as far as the settings you need to enable right now. So I'm going to simply exit from here, then have to head over back to my phone settings. And I have to simply head over back to my phone settings right here. I'm going to click on my settings. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure I go to Google. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on all services. Then it's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. And I'll make sure I look for theft protection. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I turn on theft protection. Enable this button. Then make sure you click on turn on. Then this is the second one I have for you as far as 3 important Android settings you need to enable right now. So let's take a look at the very first one. So I'm going to exit from here. Then I will head over to my messages right here. Then I'll click on these 3 dots right here. Now I'll click on settings. And I'll make sure I turn on this. With that, each time you are sending text to other contacts on your Android phone, you are getting sure of delivery of your message without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are 3 important settings you need to enable right now on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.